information, some bubble wrap. I don't want to put the box down because all my address is on there. I mean, you may have saw my name on there, but it's just my name. That's all you saw is my name and my zip code. So this is how the box comes once you open it. This is some stickers, which is really cute. I guess this is actually the stuff. And as you can see, it has a little sticker here. I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm going to try not to rip it terribly, but if it rips, it rips. Oh well. Okay. So let's open it up. Sorry, y'all, I'm doing this with one hand. Okay, so let's see what we got. So I did get a mini of the primer. So soft matte primer, smooth pore defining finish, extended makeup wear. So I got a mini of the primer. I also got the soft matte long wear foundation in the color 445. So I did get a full size of that. So just put it to the side. I also got, oh, this is the front. Oh, so when you order off the Fenty Beauty website, if you purchased, I think at least $75, you got free goodies. So this is one of the free goodies, just a compact mirror. So this is one of the free goodies for purchasing $75 from her website. $75 purchase. So this is a Fenty Beauty Invisimatte blotting powder. So I got that. It's just in, it says Universal, the color. I also got a mini of the Pro Filter Mini Instant Retouch Setting Powder. So I got a mini of the Instant Retouch Setting Powder. Got it in the color Honey to highlight. And then I was going to use the Invisimatte powder for all over. This was another freebie. Oh, I didn't realize it was a mini, but it's fine. Of the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick in Flamingo Acid. So this is another freebie for purchasing off her site. This is a mini, like a really mini. That was full size, but that's fine. This is a concealer, which I believe I got the wrong color, but it was too late to change after the fact. So this is the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in 420. After I ordered this order online on Fenty Beauty, and then I went into Sephora to see, let me just see if I got the right colors. Got the right color foundation. The concealer, I don't think I got the right color. Oh, this is another freebie from ordering off her site. It's just a travel bottle that you can put your foundation in when traveling. So just a little mini bottle. And this is a Fenty makeup bag. So this was another freebie for ordering off her website. So if you ordered off her website, spent at least $75 on anything, you got this free little makeup bag, a little travel bottle. You can see the little outline to put your foundation in when traveling. So you got that. You got a little mini Mademoiselle lipstick. And you got a compact mirror. So I thought that was cool because I was going to get it off Sephora anyway to get the points. So when I saw you get all this for free, I'm like, I'll get off Fenty website. So it's free shipping and exchanges within 60 days. It says you'll get your money back. Only thing is I can't go into a store to exchange it. I have to ship it back, but it's free. So I will be doing a video on all of this. So it's the concealer. Put it back. This is the foundation, the mini primer, the powder for under eye brightening, and the Invisimatte blotting powder. So this is everything. And like I said, I will be doing a full face video once I play with everything and try it out.